This woman just found a tiny baby animal and decided to bring it home. As soon as they got home, she cleaned it up and gave it some food. The little guy absolutely loved snacking and eating together with her. Time passed, and it grew into a healthy, energetic little thing, always running around the house. She even started taking it on walks outside, and surprisingly, it was super chill out there. And get this, she even let it sleep with her and gave it little kisses. Turns out, this adorable creature was a marmoset monkey.